I want to show you something that I faced when I was doing my assignment for my project management class. I'm not going to talk about the project management side of it, just I want to show an Excel formula. Just in order to give a background, this is an activity on Arrow network. That there are a lot of softwares to do this for you, but I just want to use Excel because I like Excel. From this network we made this table and this one, but what the Excel part that I want to show you today is related to this one. Okay, from the here I have activities like A, and the A is this one. So what I'm trying, early start of this activity is that I should find this one is equal to TI. TI is here, this one, and but I is this one, 1. Okay, what I am trying to do here is I can just go for this much number, I can just go and see this is 1, and then go here, this is 0, I can just type, but I don't want to do that. I want to write a formula for this one. So how can we do this? Okay, this is the formula: Vlook-up, value, right, left, and many others. Let's make it from, let's delete it and make it from scratch. Okay, first of all I should be able to bring this 1 here because I want that one. Let's do how we can do that one. We have a function called left. What does it do? Let's just try that one. Equal to left. I want, this is text here, left. How many from left I want? There is 2. Okay, it will return for me this one, but this is not what I want. I want just the 1, so I can write another function which is right. That is very good. Right of this thing, I want right of the answer. So how many right I want? Just 1. I don't need to put anything, just close bracket, then it will bring. Wow, it doesn't work. Let's see what's wrong. Maybe I should write 1, it's better, or maybe I don't have to put comma. Yeah, that's correct. Then it brings 1. So still we have one problem. This one is now a text, so we don't in the other table this one is a number, so we have to change this one to a number. Okay, what function turns out value? It changed a text to number. We go at the end and we close it, and now this is a number. Do we want this one? No, we need another one. We want our formula to look at this, find this one, and then look at, if it is 1, it should go and find this one in this table and return this number for me, the TI. Okay, how we do this one? Let's see. We have our Vlookup, just equal to Vlookup, then everything. Vlookup is 1, we have our formula already, just bring here. Then for Vlookup we have to select a table. Then this case, this is the table. It will always look so. But one thing that I want to do is I want to fix this table, because I'm gonna use this formula for all other columns, rows, sorry. Okay, what else does this one want from me? Then the index column. Index column means which column do we want to return. In our case it is the second column, and the final thing that I should choose is, do I want an approximate match or an exact match? I want an exact match, and I have to select false or 0, it doesn't matter. Oh, it didn't select. Okay, I will type 0. Look, now I guess we are right. So if it is 1, then this one should be 0. It's okay. Let's do it. Drag it down. Yeah, let's check another one. For example, this one, the first number is 4, and this one should be, this is 3. I think in that table it should be the 4, 3. We did it. And for others, for this one, another very big formula, but same logic, so not necessary to discuss it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.